Hi, folks, and welcome to another episode of the Pot Spoon Kitchen. We have been cooking and baking for a while, and in this episode, we are going to delve into Caribbean confectionery with Tobago style sugar cake. And we are going to be making these in some bright, beautiful carnival colors. And this recipe is guaranteed to be very detailed and gives you all the information that you need to have a successful outcome every single time. We are going to prepare our coconut, and you just want to peel off the brown part of the coconut so that you get a nice snow white looking sugar cake. Once you have peeled it, washed it, you want to grate it on this side of the grater. And we're going to add our coconut into a bowl. Let's head over to the stove and get our sugar cake going. We are adding our coconut to our pot, and I'm also going to add 2 cups of granulated sugar. Normally you would use the ginger and you add it to the water and you extract it, but I don't like to do it that way because I still have to take out the ginger with all the flavor in it. So what I like to do, I like to blend the ginger with a cup of water, and I will get 1 cup of ginger liquid. I am adding 2 cups of water, about 1 tablespoon of my favorite white vanilla, and we're going to mix this until everything is incorporated. The coconut is also going to be spilling its juices, and it's going to have more liquid than what is in here. So we're going to cover it up and allow the coconut to spill the juices. After 15 minutes, this is what it looks like, and we're going to allow it to continue to reduce. I'm going to leave it covered for another 15 minutes, and then I'm going to uncover it because I don't want it to turn brown. If you leave it unattended, it's going to turn brown. So 15 minutes, and then I will pay close attention to it. This is what we are looking like after 20 minutes. We're going to leave it to reduce because we want the coconut to cook properly. We're not just going to coat it and then coat it in sugar. We want the coconut to cook very well. So the liquid has reduced significantly, and from here I'm going to monitor it every 7 minutes. But I will leave it open just to make sure that it does not get brown. This is what it looks like after 7 minutes. And this is our first 7-minute monitoring. And you make sure that you scrape on the sides because those also can burn. And so we're going to monitor this for 5 minutes now. At this point I had to bring you very close to the pot. It's beginning to dry out, and at any moment now it can begin to turn brown. So to prevent this, I like to turn down the stove on number 4, and I'm going to continue to mix while I'm standing right here. The liquid is now so thick that whenever I toss the coconut, the liquid stays in the coconut and not just drizzle out for a longer period of time. We want this to come very dry but not burn. The drier it becomes, the faster it's going to dry when we put it to cool, and it's not going to be syrupy at the bottom. We're going to divide this into 3 or 4 colors. As you can see, the liquid is very thick, but this is still too liquidy. We want it to be completely dry. So at medium heat, it's looking very good. It's not quite there yet. It's almost there because we still have a lot of liquid on this side. Not a whole lot, but I still want it to dry out just a little bit more because I want it to begin setting very fast. As I said before, the more liquid comes out, the faster your sugar cake will dry out. But you want to consistently keep stirring, and the more you stir, the harder it's going to be for it to turn brown. All these juices right here, I want to get rid of. 3 more minutes from this, I'll turn it off. I'm using 1/3 of a cup to scoop them all. So I'm going to start off by using the white. Leave a space, and you can mold them to make sure that they dry really nice and beautiful. We're going to mix the neon pink, and we're going to use all neon colors. And we have our neon pink. You have to clean the spoon as you go along. So we're doing a sky blue. And this is not a neon color. This is just a regular sky blue. Sky blue is done. Let's mix our neon yellow. Be sure that you are cleaning or washing the spoon, as the colors are just going to mix up. Just in case your sugar cake didn't get to dry out enough and it's still sticky after cooling down and setting, I will give you a tip on how to fix it. And we're going to mix a little bit of neon green. It's a nice light green. After you have scooped all your sugar cakes on a tray with parchment paper, and you realize after 1 hour it's still sticky, you want to turn your oven to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to place them in there for about 1 hour. But you want to monitor them for every 20 minutes, and you want to feel them, and you want to raise them up as they go along. Once the bottom is dried out, the center will look a little bit soiled, and that's when you want to take them out. And here you have it, our Tobago style sugar cakes. If you enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and as I always say, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend. See you in the next video.